Hello guys, today I'm going to be using the Ryobi Lopper. It's a really good product to cut down tree limbs between 1 and 1/4 inch in diameter, and today I'm going to use it. We're going to get them here together. One more. This down and then pull the trigger for it to work. Down, trigger. It'll just automatically trim the limbs. I really recommend this product. I believe the elderly and anyone looking for a quick solution could really benefit. Hope you guys like this demo. I would say that this has definitely helped me not have to work as hard when trimming branches. As you can see, it's basically effortless. Already got a decent amount of branches down. And if you like this product and need it, I will post a link below. I do use this, and it is very much useful in my day-to-day life. So if you want to support the channel, please don't hesitate to either subscribe or hit the link and purchase it for yourself. This is the Ryobi Lopper. It does not include the battery. That's a separate purchase that I'll also link below. Thank you guys. Have a great day.